There's about 2 billion people in the world right now who lack access to basic sanitation.
Without good sanitation, you get diseases, you get kids out of school, you get a difficult lifestyle. So I believe sanitation is a basic need. It's as important as food and shelter.
SATO is a brand of products in Lixil, and it was developed with input from people who use pit toilets. And there's about 1 billion of these people who are using unimproved pit toilets in the world. And what it does simply is that it brings the benefits of a flush toilet to someone using a pit latrine. And it uses much less water than a typical P-trap toilet system. What we're trying to do in SATO is create a sustainable social brand. We have to break even eventually. That's our goal, and that's Lixil's plan for SATO. But we're doing this to build sustainable local businesses on the ground and to meet the SDG target for basic sanitation.